Hello and welcome to this irrigation system maintenance tutorial. In this video, we will go over steps you need to take to maintain your irrigation system and ensure that it functions properly. Step number 1. Check for leaks. Start by checking your system for leaks. Walk around your yard and look for any water pooling or damp spots in the ground. If you find any, you may have leak in your system that need to be addressed. Step 2. Clean the filters. Next, you will want to clean the filters in your irrigation system. Dirt and debris can build up in the filters, which can reduce the water flow and pressure. Remove the filter and clean it with the hose or brush. Step 3. Adjust the sprinkles heads. Check your sprinkle heads and make sure that they are spraying in the right direction. If you find that some of them are spraying outside sidewalks or driveways, adjust the heads so that the water is going where it needs to go. Step 4. Check the water pressure. If your water pressure is too high or too low, it can affect the performance of your irrigation system. Use a pressure gauge to measure the water pressure and adjust it as needed. Step 5. Finally, test your irrigation system to make sure it is working properly. Turn on each zone and make sure the sprinkles are working as they should. If you notice any issues, go back and troubleshoot the problem. So that's it for this irrigation system maintenance tutorial. By following these steps, you can help ensure that your system is running efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching.